I just wanted to make a video because I haven't had the energy to make one in a really long time, but I'm going to a meetup today, and it's like a holiday party, and then there's going to be a swap meet. So I went through my closet and tried to find some things that I want to give away. So this is my pile that I have to pack up. Finally going to try to sell this bunny hoodie again. I'm really sad to be letting go of this dress, but it's just, I don't have a long petticoat, and I don't think I'm gonna get one just for one dress, so yeah. Selling, oops, this. Oh my gosh, I can't get it. This one. I'm also selling this one. I'm kind of sad because this one is really cute, but I don't know if it's really just not like the style I'm going for. Yeah. This is my coordinate. I'm finally wearing a Holy Night Story out to like an event, so that's exciting. The shoes I'm gonna wear are a pair of cotton candy feet heels. I can put those on, but I show that, but I didn't pick up a bag yet. I don't know. I kind of want to just bring that star bag, maybe. My room is kind of a mess because I've just been too busy with school. Or I could bring a pink bag. See, like I prefer to have something like a shoulder bag, because this one down there doesn't have like a shoulder strap, which is unfortunate. It's also just way bigger than I was expecting. I'm thinking about maybe selling that one soon too. What other bags do I have? Got this one. Maybe, I don't know. This is how my closet looks like right now. Just a few of those dresses that I took out gone. I'm still thinking about maybe selling a few more things. Probably not today though. These are the shoes I'm gonna wear. They're like a different shade of pink from my blouse, but I think they kind of work, like, because of like the lighter pinks in the print. Also, I just wanted to wear them because they're like glittery and fancy. I've got everything in the bag now, so it's kind of heavy. Whatever I don't sell, I guess I'll just list online on Lace Market. Probably just gonna list that one on Lace Market right away instead of bringing it, because I just don't have room in the bag. So someone literally just knocked on my door, and it was a delivery, and it's actually a bag that I ordered from Cotton Candy Feet when they did that like made to order this fall. So maybe I'll use this bag. It's a nice like think these are called dust bags or something. Wow, oh my god. Look how cute. This is like perfect. Actually, it's a little more like of a gray than I was expecting. It's supposed to be off-white, but like still, this is really perfect for my like more sweet classic looks. This is like exactly what I wanted. This is perfect. Not for like what I'm wearing now, but for my other looks, definitely. Wanted a bag like this for like quite a while. Let's look inside. Pink. Nice. That zipper is like the heart. I didn't get the heart buckles on this. I think I'm glad I didn't. Yeah, this definitely wouldn't match like this particular getup, but it is so cute. It's like a perfect size. Wow. I love it. It even has like these, I don't know what these are called. They're like little metal feet on the bag though, so like it fits nicely. So I'm back from the meetup now, and I didn't film anything when I was there because I was just kind of, you know, in the moment, and I didn't want to film other people in case, you know, they're uncomfortable with that. But I can insert an image I took of my little table where I was selling things, and I actually managed to sell most of my stuff, so that's great. I'm really happy when I like sell things to people I know, and I just can see like how much they're enjoying the thing, like as they're like, you know, taking it and walking away from my table, and I can just see how happy they are, which is great because like a lot of the things I'm selling, it's like stuff that I love, but I just don't have a place for it like in my life anymore. Yeah, so I also wanted to show I bought a few things. So I got this bracelet. Because I love Alice in Wonderland themes lately. I think this is gonna go really nicely with some dress that I have. And then I also got an AP ring. I don't know how to make my camera focus, but yeah, it's pretty big. But I think this is gonna go nice with some of my more like classy sweet stuff. And I have a bracelet that I think kind of matches this a little bit, so I think that's nice. And that's angelic pretty. And then lastly, I got a BB&B necklace. I actually, the girl who was selling this, I saw her wearing this at the holiday party last year, and I thought it was so cute. So I'm really glad to have gotten to buy this off of her. It's just a little tangled, sorry. Yeah, it's like a candy cane heart, and then there's this snowflake thing going on. But I think this is gonna match like a few Christmassy things, and then also, you know, just to make another dress maybe seem more Christmas themed. It's very pretty. And that's all the stuff that I bought, because I really wasn't planning to buy anything. I did get also some freebie kind of things. I got really cute art postcard of a Christmassy girl. And I love the print on her dress. And what else? Oh, they also gave these cute heart compact mirrors. And of course, candy cane. Yeah, I had a nice time. I've been just very tired lately. Just been very busy. So it's kind of hard. But I'm glad I went today. It was just really nice to see people again, and I look forward to like hopefully doing another meetup next month. Yeah, and there's a few things that I didn't sell, so I'll probably list those on my lace market sometime soon. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I hope you're having a good past couple of months since I haven't been around. I can't promise anything with making videos, but yeah, hopefully I can make a video soonish. I'm very tired, so I'm having a hard time thinking. Okay, thanks for watching, and